a stick-up. Nobody makes a move. Just hand over the money and no one gets hurt. Alright, step on it, driver.
There's one problem, boss.
What's that?
We're not in a car.
Oh, silly crooks. Don't you know? GURPS doesn't have cars. Hey, quick message right here. During this episode, I referred to GURPS not having cars. The reason why is for the long time, I always came under the assumption that there were no actual cars in GURPS, at least in the base set. The only time I ever found any cars in GURPS is in the action rulebook. I always thought it was weird that there was no actual cars in GURPS, and that's what actually started this whole equipment episode when I first read it way back in September. It wasn't until I was editing this video that I realized that it actually is in the base set in page 464 of base set campaign. It actually talks about at least some basic level automotives. I'm going to stop rambling now because, let's get on with the video.
What?
Time to teach you about equipment in GURPS. Welcome to the GURPS Protocol. Normally after a cold opening, I just return to my desk and just go on about today's topic. That's weird.
Look, weirdo. Can you get us out of here? Get us a car or something.
Well, while not part of any normal tech books or the base set, in Action 1 Heroes on page 34, there's a small section where vehicles like cars and SUVs are...
Yeah, that. The SUV. Give us that. Glad I've gotten rid of that freak.
I'm the one writing the dialogue. You'd think I'd be nicer to myself. Oh well. Back on topic. GURPS oddly has a whole book on spaceship construction, but lacks the dedicated vehicles book. Luckily, fans actually compiled one as a free PDF. Links in description below.
Look, you
fantastic person.
You seem to be able to summon random things if you talk about it. How about some weapons?
Ah, good idea. A typical tool of any adventure. Of course, base set has a good selection, but let's venture out to the other books. First, the low-tech book. As the book implies, it focuses on items that are on the low-tech levels, starting at Stone Age, tech level 0, all the way up to Age of Sail, tech level 4. These are the beginnings of civilization tools. It's a good reference for all things medieval and below. You're clearly looking for a range weapon, so let's see... page 72, crossbows.
Well, thanks for nothing. Can we please go to something a little more high-tech?
Nah, fair enough. Many modern-day folk wouldn't resort to such low-level equipment, if they could. As a side note, while they might be older and hypothetically easier to get, do note that each world has different legalities for different weapons and items, and this could be higher penalty for older barbaric weapons.
Yeah, some laser guns or mass disintegrator would do lovely.
Oh, no. The book title is kind of a misnomer. The high-tech book goes after the Industrial Revolution, tech level 5, to the Digital Age, tech level 8. To those watching at home, Real World is currently around tech level 8.5. We're so close to the next tech level.
Okay, yeah, fair, but that still has the decent guns, right?
Oh yeah, it does. While not the only list of guns in all of GURPS, starting at page 87 has a good list of guns of all kinds. The great part about this list is they have a lot of gun collector specialties, so you can really select the right kind of gun.
Okay, I get it. Just get me a Desert Eagle then. Yeah. Take that, coppers. Take that and that.
It's funny. They spend so much time specifying all the weapon brands and makes, but they give us generic cars in an offshoot book. I mean, look at this.
The cops will be here shortly. You got to have something futuristic to help us escape, like a rocket or something.
Oh, right. The last major book, Ultra Tech. From Microtech Age Tech Level 9 to the Age of Miracles Tech Level 12 and above. It hosts many things used in all kinds of sci-fi stories. However, make a note that there is also biotech in previous spaceship books, but I'm glossing over that for now.
Please just get to the point. I can't go back to jail.
Alright. Vehicles start at page 222. Let's go with Tech Level 12 Grab Speeder. This ship is powered by antimatter reactors with a 5-year power supply. This thing can perform impossible 100G maneuvers without any effects on the passenger.
Alright, driver, turn this thing on and let's get to the Caribbean islands.
I can't.
Why not?
Well, that's because you're tech level 8, and these things are so far above the concept of control is lost on you. Plus, to drive something like this, you need, piloting contragrab to operate.
What?
This is the police. Surrender now, or we be forced to shoot.
Yeah, I was never on their side in the first place. I knew he would get greedy and ask for a ship eventually. I had him where I wanted.
Okay, sure, I think I understand. But why did you still give him live ammo? I mean, 3 cops are dead now.
Well, I still had to do the episode, and I needed to talk about all 3 books. Plus, this was all off camera. No one actually got injured during this entire thing. You know how much work it would take to animate all this? I wrote this script back in September 2022. Yeah, I'm dating this joke, but come on. Anyway, this has been Diceyed with the GURPS Protocol. Thanks for watching.
What? What is going on?
Shh. The credits are rolling, and I don't know how long it will be for this episode, so I usually keep a still at my last frame.